Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel AK Coding. Today we will discuss how to download IntelliJ IDEA in your machine and run your first awesome Spring Boot project in your machine. So without killing the time, let's get started. To download IntelliJ IDEA, open your favorite search engine. In my case, I am using google.com. So here you can search IntelliJ IDEA and click on the first link, that is jetbrains.com. Here on the right hand side you can see download button. Click on download button. On the top of this website you can see three options. Number 1 Windows, number 2 Mac OS, number 3 Linux. Whatever OS you are using, you can download, you can click on that particular tab. In my case, I am using Mac OS, so I am clicking on Mac OS, right? Here there is actually two separate variant of IntelliJ IDEA. Number 1 Ultimate Edition. If you want to use paid version, it has more features, then you can download from here. But if you want to use free of the cost, then you can use IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Here on the download section, here is a drop down. If your Mac OS is using Apple Silicon processor, then you can choose Apple Silicon, or if your Mac OS has Intel processor, then you can select Intel processor, right? So in my case I am using Apple Silicon, so I am downloading Apple Silicon version, right? So now it is downloading here. IntelliJ IDEA is downloaded. Open a folder and click on .dmg extension file. Move the IntelliJ IDEA to your favorite folder. I am moving my IntelliJ IDEA in application folders. Click on IntelliJ IDEA here. Okay, open it. Here you can create or open your project. To create first Spring Boot project, go to the google.com and search Spring Initializer or Starter. On the first link, starter.spring.io, click on the first link. Now here you have to select your favorite programming language. Now I am selecting Java. On the tool you can also select your favorite tool. You can choose Gradle or Maven. In my case I am selecting Maven. Here this is Spring Boot version. Which Spring Boot version you would like to choose, you can easily choose from here. The snapshot version are the under development version, so we will select stable version, that is 3.5.3. Here you can define your group and artifact. And now the important thing is you have to define dependency, right? So in our case we are searching Spring Web dependency. It include RESTful web services and embedded Tomcat server. So I'm selecting Spring Boot Web. Now you can also select your version of Java. So in my case I am selecting Java 17. Now click on generate. Now your project is downloaded. Unzip it. Now open IntelliJ IDEA and click on open. Now go to your folder where you have downloaded and kept your Springboard project and click on open. Yes, click on trust the project. It is opening. And click on open. Yes, click on trust the project. It is opening. Now go to example.demo package and create a class that is welcome class, welcome.java. Now I am using annotation that is REST controller. Here I am creating a method public string hello, and in the body of method I am returning a greeting that is hello Akshay. I am here using get mapping so that we can route that particular URL, that is endpoints welcome / welcome. Now go to the demo application.java file and click on run. Now here you can see Tomcat server is started on port 8080. Go to the browser and click here localhost 8080/welcome. Now here you can see hello Akshay are printed on the browser. That's it for the today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome tech insight videos. See you next time. Keep coding and stay curious.